Hey guys, it's Eric Lisica from the Lisica Home Group. I'm here at 601 Newfield Road, and I'm going to show you 5 reasons why you should buy this home. Number 1, the floors. This home has beautifully refinished hardwood floors throughout the main living space and bedrooms. On top of that, the kitchen and basement have vinyl planking that is stunning and easy to clean. Number 2, the kitchen. This kitchen has everything you could want, from stainless steel appliances to granite countertops, a 5-burner stove, and soft close cabinets. But my personal favorite is this oversized island with hanging pendant lights that's perfect for entertaining your guests. Number 3, the basement. This fully finished basement is awesome. The side entrance, bonus bedroom, and fully finished bathroom makes the possibilities endless. It could be a perfect fit for that older child who wants their privacy or a possible rental income down the road. Number 4, the yards. And yes, I said yards. This home actually has 2 yards, one in the front and one in the back. The front yard is perfect for keeping your furry friends in and the neighborhood furry friends out. The backyard is spacious, flat, and surrounded by a 6-foot vinyl privacy fence. It's perfect for those backyard barbecues. And last but not least, the 5th reason why you should buy 601 Newfield Road is the location. This home is located in the heart of Glen Burnie, near all major commuter routes. It's just steps away from Corker Middle School, Roy's Quick Corner, and your favorite Glen Burnie favorites. So that's it, folks. If you or somebody you know might be interested in this home, please give us a call at the information below and we'll be sure to reach out to you. As always, if you're looking for the customer service you deserve and the results you need, please consider Lisica Home Group your go-to resource for anything real estate related. And remember, list with Lisica.